Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Rough day today. It started off very, very nicely, but this is, in trading, lingo, we would call this a gap and trap, meaning on Monday the price closed right there, and then this morning the price gapped up, so it opened up right up there. Closed there, but then ultimately opened up way up there, hence the gap up. Ran all the way up there, and then some poor souls bought right there. And then from that point forward, it was pretty much just a slow bleed the remainder of the day. So, that's why I would consider this a gap and trap. And really going forward, the key level from a support standpoint to keep a close eye on is going to be down here at, let's see, what is that level? Right there at 0.095. Why is 0.095 important? Well, from a very literal perspective, and I'm not saying this will happen because there's no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price were to drop below 0.095 and then continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range where it just was and that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, strength, or anything like that. Whereas, to be fair, potentially maybe the price just behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. So from that point of view, assuming you care about the big picture of things, at least you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, overall, you'd have stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 0.095. In the event this is some sort of bottom down here and the price starts to bounce back upwards, the main area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, top priority, in my opinion at least, is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about trying to maintain and stay above those levels of support. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.